sometimes you have to do a boring job repetitively in Microsoft Excel. In that case, we can actually create a macro to automate our task. Let's dive into the video to see how we can actually create macro. In order to create a macro, first you need to have a developer tab activated on your ribbon. If it's not activated, you can simply go into File, click on More, Options, Customize Ribbon, and here you can see our developer tab which is activated. In your case, it might be unticked like this. So simply check it and then click on OK. It would get activated right on your ribbon. When you click on the developer tab, right over here you can see in the code section we have this option macro. We can actually record a macro and it would record all these steps that we are gonna do. And when it's done, you can apply it simply with a one click. Let me show you how we can do that. Now simply click on macro and over here you can give it a name. Let me call it chart, as I'm gonna create a chart from this data. Here you can create a shortcut and right at the bottom you can write a description for the macro as well. Let me click on OK. Now you can see it has started recording all the steps that we are gonna do. Let me select all the data like this and then I'll go over here into Home tab and I would set all the borders like this. Next, let me choose the top row and apply it a color theme, and I think this one is good. Oh, it's too dark. Let me change it to this one. That's good. Next, I'm going to select these three columns. Head over to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, we have this option Combo Chart. Click on this little arrow right next to it and you can choose any option out of these. I'm gonna first one Clustered Column Line, and there you go. The chart is created. Let me delete the title as we don't need it. Let me choose this chart design out of the given one. Now we are almost done with our job. Again, we'll go to Developer tab and stop our recording. Now all these steps that we have performed so far have been recorded. Click and now your macro is ready. Let me go to the next sheet. Right over here we have the same data. Now we don't need to perform all the tasks. Simply go to macros and here you can see we have our macro that we have just recorded. Simply click on Run. There is a simple runtime error, but in our case it won't matter a lot. I would click on End and there you go. We are done with our job in no time. Just look at it. A table was created, a color theme was applied to the top row, and a chart was created. So that's how you can easily automate your task in Microsoft Excel. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.